Hello everybody, my name is Jack and welcome back. Welcome back for another Italian language lesson. Today I'm gonna teach you a very important word. Non, it is a very important word because it is almost equal to the English don't. In fact, non it is used to make negative sentences. Non goes between the subject and the predicate, and magically it transforms the meaning of the sentence from a positive one to a negative one by following some examples like I eat, io mangio, I don't eat, io non mangio, I drive, io guido, I don't drive, io non guido. Of course, the conjugation of the verb coming after non follows the same pattern we saw in the previous lessons. We went home. Noi siamo andati a casa. We didn't went home. Noi non siamo andati a casa. The main difference between English and Italian, between don't and non, it is that you can change don't in didn't. That means the action didn't happen in the past. In Italian, non remains always the same. You must conjugate the following verb to its past form if you, of course, want to collocate the action back in the past. You didn't drink wine. Tu non hai bevuto vino. So, ladies and gentlemen, this brief lesson is over. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any suggestion to improve my channel, please read down below. I will do my best to read and answer them all. In the meantime, subscribe if you want, if you find this channel interesting. But of course, remember, speak like a genius. Bye bye!